guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. Thank you for coming. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're returning, thank you so much. So today's video is going to be an amazing video if I say so. Today's video is going to be a gift ideas that you can buy, or some gift that you can get for your loved ones for Christmas. And it's not a whole lot of gift ideas that I have, but at least I can give you some now that Black Friday is coming on, and at least you have some ideas what you want to get for your loved ones for Christmas. So let's get started. So before I get started, let me just take a sip of my hot chocolate, guys. Here I have my hot chocolate ready. Oh, that is so good, nice and warm. So I have a sip of my hot chocolate. Let's get into this gift ideas business, guys. Christmas is coming up and Black Friday is coming Friday, and I know a lot of people are going to be online shopping because you can only shop online right now, especially where I live. I live in Canada, Toronto, and right now in some certain areas there is a lockdown. So malls are closed, so you can't go into the malls to shop. You can actually do them online. So I know a lot of stores are doing early Black Friday sales. So you know what? At least you know, or you have an idea what you want to look for or what you want to buy for Christmas. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys some. First of all, I know it's hard, 2020. Not everybody has a lot of money to spend this year. This year has been a rough year for a lot of people. So I have you covered. If you don't have so much money and you still want to have a nice Christmas and have fun with your family, just have nice Christmas, there are some gift ideas that you can actually make yourself for your family. I would say do DIYs. DIYs, you can get them on Pinterest, you can get them on YouTube, you can get them on Google. There's a lot of DIY gift ideas that you can create and make yourself. For example, you can make your own scarf for your family, for your friends, for your husband, for your kids, and personalized gift idea. A lot of people appreciate and love personalized gift idea. I remember last year my manager gave us as for gift a scarf. Guys, that scarf, I love that scarf. It was so pretty, like it was so nice that my son, my oldest son, ended up taking that scarf from me. That is how pretty it was. I love that scarf. So DIY gift ideas can be a scarf, a blanket, a bracelet, a self-made bracelet, and what else? You can also do a picture frame for your special ones, for your daddy, for your mother, for everybody. You can create a nice picture frame for them. You can also create like a cookie gift basket. You can make your own cookies. There are a lot of receipts on how to make cookies and cake. You can do baking stuff for your loved ones, like a gift basket for them. You can also make you know that Epsom salt, you know, the one you put in the water when you want to take a shower. I love those. You can DIY them yourself. You can just go to the store, buy the Epsom salt, and get some essential oil like peppermint, lavender, like mix it together and package it in a way that you know that you like, and that you also want you think the person will like. So you can create your own Epsom salt smell or flavor or scent by yourself. You can just go get, I think they sell that one at Dollarama. You can get the Epsom salt, put some lavender, put some peppermint, and yeah, package that and give that as a gift. You can also do a personalized face mask or cream for your loved ones. I think there was a year from my son's school that made a face scrubbing thing. They only used it was, I think they used brown sugar and some other stuff. So you can always search online on how to make things like that, and you can give that as a gift ideas. And I loved it. It was really, I loved it for my skin. It was really good for me, and I loved it. You can also get to make your own like Christmas ornament. So as you can see here, this is a Christmas ornament that I got from Dollarama. You can also make this by yourself. All you just have to do is get like a clear ornament that you can put the picture inside. I don't know, this one is still closed. You need to get it out. So as you can see, I just got them recently. So you can just take a picture of your loved ones. You can put a picture of your mother, of you, of your husband, of your kids, or a family picture in here, and you can give it as a gift. Wrap it up nicely and you can give it as a gift. This is really a great idea for a Christmas DIY gift you can do at home and save money. Also, there's another thing that you can do. My manager made this for my daughter 1 year, I think it was last year, and I kid you not, my daughter loved this. It's a big blanket, so you can create, if you know how to knit and how to do stuff like this, you can make a blanket for your loved ones, for your kids, and everybody has their own personalized blanket. And this is a great gift DIY ideas that you can do by yourself to save money, and not always saving money. Also, it's also very personal and it's really nice. I love this blanket. My daughter loved this blanket. I'm telling, I kid you not, this blanket goes nowhere. She's taking this blanket everywhere. She loved this blanket. So this is another great ideas that you can do, great DIYs that you can do for Christmas. And also if you really want to, like, I love personalized gift like this one. As you can see, it says mom on it. So you can get something like this, and you can scribble or draw something or carve something on a piece of wood, or you can just do things that you know the person will like. And yeah, you can see I have this in my laundry room and I love it. So you can personalize a whole lot of gift for your loved ones. And yeah, so there's a lot of DIYs ideas that you can do, like gift ideas that you can make without spending so much money. All right, so you can check Pinterest, you can check Google, you can check YouTube. There's a lot of great videos that you can watch and create your own gift for your loved ones. So let's just keep going. As I mentioned before, these are some of the gift ideas that I have. They are not a lot, but especially now that Black Friday is coming up, you want to like at least have an idea what you want to buy or what you're looking for. I know a lot of people will be shopping online because that is the only options that a lot of people have right now, because there are some certain areas in Toronto that is a complete lockdown. There are lockdowns. The only places that are open are schools and daycares and essential workers, basically. So yeah, so malls are closed. You can shop online and still get great deals online. And a lot of stores are also starting their Black Friday deals early, so you can shop earlier and you can go online and search for great deals. Also, I know what is it called, Amazon is having a Black Friday sales, guys. If you know, I love Amazon. I go on Amazon. I think Amazon should have a store, a physical store. And yeah, you can go on Amazon and search for Black Friday deals on Amazon. So let's just go into some of the other gift ideas that you can buy, or if you can afford it, or that you can get for your family. So I would say for you can get shoes. Shoes can be for men, women, kids, teenagers. It can be, you can get shoes for anybody. And the other one, say I would say watch, smartwatches. Like mine right now, I'm wearing a Fitbit Versa 2. I got this for my birthday from my husband. So you can get a Fitbit, a smartwatch, a watch for your loved ones for Christmas. Watch out for those stuff. They're usually on sale on Black Friday, and yeah, those ones are good gift ideas for Christmas. The other stuff I would say, customize jewelries. So for example, you can get a customized chain necklace with your name, maybe your first letter, your first letter of your name, or customized earrings, or customized handband, or things like that. So anything that is customized, I think a lot of people would love it. I love it. I don't know, do you like customized gift? I love customized gift because it's like the person was thinking about you and what you like and what you don't like. And yeah, I love customized gift. I don't know about you. Leave a comment down below. Do you like customized gift that is like, the person actually put in the effort? Not, of course, when you're going shopping, everybody think of what you like, but if like customized gift, like, oh, yeah, custom, if you like customized gift, leave a comment down below, and I would love to read some of your customized gift that you have received so far. Other ones I would say is, this is a little bit pricey right now, and it's hard to get. This was I would say the PS5 as a gift ideas. So if you have a teenager, you have a husband or somebody who loves to play games and is into gaming stuff, PS5 just came out November 12th, I believe, and here in Canada, Toronto was sold out. I went online, they were all sold out, so I couldn't find anything. Let's hope, keep your finger crossed, that maybe there will be some available on Black Friday and they will be on sale too. I doubt it, but anyways, we can keep our finger crossed that the PS5 will be available. And if you can't find the PS5, you can always buy the PS4. I think they're still available. The PS3, I think they're still available. You can get those ones as a gift for your loved ones. You can also get gift card. Guys, if you have somebody that is very like hard to get a gift for me, I struggle in this area when it comes to my teachers and people that I want to give something, but I don't really know what they like. So I usually go for gift card. So you can go for gift card. Most of my kids teachers, I give them gift card like Tim Hortons, Starbucks, and what else, CBO, and things that that I don't know what you like, but you know what, you can have this just as a thank you. So gift card is a great idea. Gas station gift card, you can get that for anybody that drives, and yeah, you can get them gas station gift card. You can get them a gift card to clean their car. Yes, guys, that will be me. If you give me a gift card to clean my car, I will be so happy, because IV in that area is not the best. So you can get them a gift card, gas station gift card, and cleaning car gift card. Anything about cars, you can give them a gift card, or oil change gift card. oil change gift card. And yeah, you can get people gift cards. So I would say gift card for people that you're not really, you don't know what they want and you don't want to miss, because sometimes when you get gift for people that they don't really like, they just tend to put it outside and they don't use it. So for me, if I'm giving you something, I want you to use it. I want you to be happy with your gift. So I give a whole lot of gift card to my kids teachers. So yeah, gift cards. What else do I have? I would say hair fryer, like home appliances. Like you can look for vacuums during Black Fridays. You can look for hair fryer during Black Fridays. They usually do a lot of sales on Black Fridays and stuff like that. So you can look for home decor items that you have always wanted, see if it's on sale. You can always look for those stuff as well on Black Friday. And yeah, that are some of the few gift ideas that I have. I don't, so let me know, guys, what you guys will be getting for your loved ones for Christmas. I know this is not a lot of gift ideas to get for Christmas. Also, you can get a perfume. Yes, guys, perfume. You can get perfume from Bath and Body Works. You can get perfume for like great perfumes that you can gift your loved ones, guys. Yes, I don't forget perfume. That was me this year. I want perfume, guys. I want perfume. I don't know, this year some of my tastes have changed. I don't know, I'm not a big person when it comes to perfume. For me, I believe when you take shower, you take care of your body, there's no need for perfume. But I don't know, 2020 changed me, and I want some like perfume, and you can give them some perfume if you know some of the scents that they like, and you can get them perfume. Yeah, for me, I this year, I think if you have me, Secret Santa, I want a perfume. This is a joke, guys. So I would say perfume. You can get them perfume. What other stuff can you get? Shoes, I mentioned already. Clothes, I mentioned. Wristwatches. You can get gift card, gaming, headphones. You can get for them. And if your wife, you have a wife who is into beauty like me, you can get them a brand new hair, a brand new wig. So if you're interested, I'm going to be leaving a link on my website down below so that you can go and get your loved ones, your wife, your teenage girl, some new wigs, some hair. And yeah, so these are some of the gift ideas that I have, guys. I know they are not a lot. Leave your comment down below. Share some more gift ideas here with us so that we all can see or can have some ideas of what we should be shopping for Christmas. So I'm just going to let you guys go, guys. I'm going to see you guys next week. Bye. Mwah.